Hey, Double D Plumbing. This is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I wanted to reach out to you guys, shoot this quick video for you to show you three quick things that I do think would help bring a lot of business into your company. So I wanted to just talk about content, citations, and backlinks. So number one, in order to be optimized in Google's eyes, you need to have at least 1,500 words on that front page just to basically be recognized. So did a word count on you guys, and you only have 522 words, so about 1,000 off from that 1,500 mark in order to be optimized. But your number one competitor, which is Plumber Pro Service and Drain out in Athens, they have 756. So you guys aren't too far behind them, but still need to have at least 1,500 to be optimized by Google. And so next, I wanted to talk to you about the map pack. And so first, when we search plumbers in Athens, Georgia, that's bringing in 720 searches a month. So there's a lot of searches that you guys are missing out on by not being in this front page of businesses out there in Athens. So about citations, that helps here in the map pack. And this map pack is essentially made up of the name, the address of the business, and the phone number. So the NAP, name, address, and phone number. And so you're probably asking yourself, how do you get ranked in the map pack? And so I like to use a tool called Whitespark. And when I search plumbers in Athens, Georgia, it brings up the top 10, because this is Home Depot, it's an ad, the top 10 businesses in Athens for plumbing that have the most citations. So you guys are not in that top 10. So that means you have less than 18 citations. So want to be beating your competition out by at least 100 to 200 citations. And what I like about Whitespark so much is that you can really just come in here, click view sources, and it'll list out all of the citations that each one of these businesses have. And you could go in to that site, put your NAP, your name, address, and your phone number, and basically steal that citation for yourself. And then, like I said, want to be beating them out by at least 100 to 200 to be effective in Google's eyes. So the last thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks, aka link juice. And we see that you guys aren't number one. Yelp is a directory, so this is the number one organic listing, and you guys aren't number one. And that's where you want to be. So link juice, simply put, site A is pointing to site B. And therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B the authority in Google's eyes. So it's kind of like a popularity contest, but it's a little more to it than that, because you need to have more relevant sites pointing back to you. So with you guys being a plumbing company, you need to have plumbing related sites pointing back to you, and not like a site per se, a Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. You guys are plumbers. So you need to have more relevant sites. So when I did a search using Ahrefs, and that shows how many backlinks you guys have, it pulls up 0. So definitely want to have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition. And your number one competition has 794. So it's definitely beatable. But seeing that you guys have 0, it might take a little bit of time to bring that up to speed. But definitely something that you guys are able to do by beating them out by 100 to 200. That will put you number one across Google's eyes. So all the things that we talked about, content on your front page, at least 1,500 words, citations, need to be beating your competition out by 100, if not 200. And then backlinks, aka link juice. You guys have 0, so need to be beating out your number one competition by at least 100 to 200. So you can take everything that I just told you today. You can implement all this into your digital marketing strategy, and I guarantee that you'll be number one across Google for your business. Or you could take the most effective route and give me a call, and that will save you guys some time on the back end. And then we can discuss how we could partner together. But my number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and my number is 678-661-5695. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you guys and hopefully partnering with you. Thanks. Have a good one.